Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss under the carbonyl compounds, the aromatic acids. Kindly follow. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Under the aromatic acids, the two important aromatic acids as per our syllabus we are going to discuss. One is benzoic acid, another is salicylic acid. We are going to concentrate. Kindly follow. Methods of preparation of benzoic acid. First, let me take first. So, benzoic acid can be prepared from toluene. Commercial method. This is the method. So, toluene undergoes oxidation by potassium dichromate, that is acidified potassium dichromate or acidified potassium permanganate to produce benzoic acid. So, if you take toluene, kindly follow, it will be converted into benzoic acid. This is the most important information. Kindly follow. This is the commercial method. So from toluene, that is the hydrocarbon, we can prepare benzoic acid. The second method is from phthalic anhydride we can prepare. Kindly follow. What is phthalic anhydride? This is the structure. Phthalic anhydride. This is the structure, phthalic anhydride. By passing phthalic anhydride and steam over a metal phthalate, correspondingly follow catalyst zinc or chromium or nickel at 20 to 30 degrees centigrade, benzoic acid is produced. Kindly follow. So just kindly follow this. So this is the condition. So phthalic anhydride undergo hydrolysis. Kindly follow OH and H at low temperature 20 to 30 degrees. Zinc phthalate is the catalyst. We are getting now phthalic acid. But when phthalic acid, if we heat strongly in that is automatically one carbon dioxide molecule will be eliminated, producing the stable benzoic acid. This is called decarboxylation, the second method. The third method is from phenyl cyanide we can prepare the benzoic acid. Phenyl cyanide undergoes hydrolysis to produce benzoic acid. Whenever the functional group cyanide, it will be undergo easily to acid group by hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. So that is happening here. We are taking phenyl cyanide. On hydrolysis, the intermediate phenyl, that is benzamide. On hydrolysis, give benzoic acid. Correspondingly, ammonia will be produced. Kindly follow. Then, fourth method, this is the we have already discussed under the Grignard reagent. That is carbonation of Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. Kindly follow. That means when you treat Grignard reagent with carbon dioxide, kindly follow carbon dioxide, we know the formula. So the Grignard reagent addition takes place. What way? Kindly follow this way. So minus will be added MgBr and the plus will be added C6H5. Kindly follow. So this is the intermediate formed, and from that hydrolysis giving correspondingly benzoic acid and MgBrOH. So from phenyl magnesium bromide and carbon dioxide we can prepare benzoic acid. Coming for properties, physical properties. Benzoic acid is a white solid melting point 122 degrees centigrade, crystallizing from hot water in purely flake-like structure. So this is the flake-like structure. It is sparingly soluble in cold water but dissolved readily in hot water. That's why we can crystallize in hot water. Ether, ethanol and benzene also we can. Kindly follow. Coming for chemical properties, please follow. When you come for chemical properties, here the reaction due to carboxylic group and reaction due to benzene ring, it is as usual. We have discussed in other cases. So first let me discuss reaction due to carboxylic group. I will come later due to benzene ring. First one, action of sodium hydroxide. Any base react with an acid, sodium benzoate and water. The same way, action of ammonia corresponding ammonium benzoate, an action of heat further, benzamide, water is formed. Kindly follow. So this is the second action of ammonia. Then the next third reaction is action of PCl5. Please follow. Whenever PCl5 is used, OH will be substituted by chlorine and phosphorus oxychloride will form. Benzoyl chloride, phosphorus oxychloride and HCl. This is a very interesting substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. And 4, action of ethanol, very important. It's a test for aromatic acid. Benzoic acid, when treated with ethanol in presence of corn sulfuric acid, you will get ethyl benzoate. Fruity odor. It's a test for, kindly follow, acid, aromatic acid. Esterification test. This is called esterification test. Please follow. Then, the fifth reactions under this, action of Sodalime. Please follow. What is Sodalime? It's a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. When you heat with benzoic acid, carbon dioxide is getting eliminated and it is reacting with the calcium oxide converted into sodium carbonate. Benzene is liberated. So we are getting benzene. Please follow. This is called decarboxylation. This process is called decarboxylation by Sodalime. The another is most important is action of lithium aluminum hydride. That is a reducing agent, powerful, convert acid into alcohol. Benzoic acid converted into benzyl alcohol. Kindly follow. The next. So far what I have discussed, reaction due to carboxylic group. So let me concentrate now, reaction due to aromatic ring. Kindly follow benzoic acid. We are having COH group. This is a meta-orienting group. Meta-orienting group. That means electron attracting group. So attracting the ring, electron from the ring. So it is deactivating the ring. Please follow. Benzoic acid undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction generally. It is a meta-directing group which generally deactivates the benzene ring. Whenever electrophilic reaction takes place, only go to the meta position. 3 or 5, that is there. Kindly follow. So let me take example. First one is nitration. We know already in the case of nitration, 1:2 mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid are mixed. So let me write now. This is the nitric acid plus 2 molecules of sulfuric acid. Kindly follow. S double bond O, OH. Kindly follow. So what will happen now? This is now going out in this form, producing NO2 plus the attacking electrophile plus H3O plus 2HSO4 minus. Kindly follow. So this is the reagent that is formed in the first step reaction mechanism. So this nitrophile NO2 plus is easily attack the nitro group because when the carboxylic acid group is a meta-orienting group, attracting group. So what will happen now? It will attract here, going here, so going here and going here. That means negative only in meta position. So positive NO2 plus will attack only meta. Kindly follow. That's why meta nitro benzoic acid it is formed during nitration. Same way, in the case of chlorination, so chlorine in presence of ferric chloride, it is undergoes chlorination. Metachlorobenzoic acid is the product. Metachlorobenzoic acid is the product. So coming for uses, let me take now. It is used as an urinary antiseptic. It is used as a food preservative in the form of sodium benzoate. It is used to disinfect bronchial tube. It is used for the manufacture of dye. Please follow. So let me concentrate next the salicylic acid. Hydroxybenzoic acid. 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, it is salicylic acid. So the test for here actually OH you can test by ferrichloride, neutral ferrichloride, violet color, and sodium bicarbonate here will give effervescence. Easily we can identify. So coming for preparation. The commercial method is from sodium phenoxide. Kindly follow. Kolb-Schmitt reaction is the famous reaction. Salicylic acid is prepared commercially by heating sodium phenoxide. Please follow. Sodium phenoxide with carbon dioxide at 130 degrees centigrade under pressure of 5 to 7 atmosphere in an autoclave. So we can get the corresponding benzoic acid. Please follow. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. So I am now discussing the commercial method. See here, sodium phenoxide. There is carbon dioxide. Temperature we are keeping 300 degree, pressure 5 to 7 atmosphere. This is called Kolb-Schmitt reaction. So first what is happening now? This intermediate is formed. Sodium oxide of the corresponding acid. This on treatment with dilute HCl producing salicylic acid. This is the commercial method. Please follow. The next one. The second most important reaction is a Reimer Tiemann reaction. By heating phenol with carbon tetrachloride in alkaline solution, kindly follow. In alkaline solution means sodium hydroxide, the corresponding salicylic acid is produced. Kindly follow. How it is? So if you use phenol, what will happen now? Phenol will be automatically in presence of sodium hydroxide converted into sodium phenoxide. Please follow. So either you can use phenol or you can use phenoxide. But when you heat with carbon tetrachloride in alkali medium, kindly follow. The one of the chlorine atom, it is now removed and then it is forming that CCl3, the corresponding compound it is forming. Kindly follow. So this is the corresponding CCl3 it is forming. Kindly follow. So now what will happen now? It is going to the, with respect to ortho, this is ortho-para-orienting phenolic group. So it is the electrophile attacking at the carbon atom. See, for example, this is carbon tetrachloride. So one of the chlorine atom is going out in the form of Cl minus. So carbon is having a plus. So CCl3 plus now will attack here. Kindly follow. Ortho-para-orienting. Then followed by hydrolysis, all the three OH group is getting hydroxylated. So eliminating water, producing carboxylic acid plus 2H2O. So this is called Reimer Tiemann reaction. Please follow. Coming for physical property, it is a white crystalline solid soluble in hot water. It is needle-shaped crystals in hot water, needle-shaped. Benzoic acid flake-like, this is needle-shaped in hot water, ethanol and ether. Coming for chemical properties, kindly follow. Here reaction due to OH group and COH groups and also aromatic ring. So first we will concentrate A, reaction due to OH and COH groups. So action of aqueous sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate will take first reaction. It reacts with the aqueous solution of sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate to form sodium salicylate. Kindly follow among these two, which is more acidic. Carboxylic group is more acidic. That hydrogen will react with the corresponding base, sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Kindly follow. So, to form sodium salicylate. The next one, action of sodium hydroxide. Please follow. This is the strong, comparatively sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. The strong base, so it forms a disodium salt with excess of sodium hydroxide. Kindly follow. Excess means 2 moles. So both COH and OH will be affected by sodium hydroxide to produce corresponding disodium salt of salicylic acid. Kindly follow. Then, third reaction with methanol. Kindly follow. Alcohol with acid, it will form ester. So that on heating with methyl alcohol in presence of corn sulfuric acid, a pleasant smelling liquid methyl salicylate is formed. This is salicylic acid. We are treating with methanol and corn sulfuric acid. So what will happen? This ester is formed. The methyl salicylate is formed, fruity odor. This is the test bar actually for any aromatic acid, water is formed. So by the action of methanol, we are getting this ester. Okay. The next action of Sodalime. Please follow. We have seen already. Sodalime is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. It will remove only carbon dioxide. So when you remove carbon dioxide, what is the product? Phenol is the product. When heated slowly with the Sodalime, it undergoes decarboxylation to produce phenol. To produce phenol. Kindly follow. This is the structure. And carbon dioxide is formed. Number 5. Action of acetyl chloride, acid derivatives. So whenever acid derivatives, kindly follow in presence or acetic anhydride, what will happen now? The corresponding alcohol, it is acid, so it will react with the base, means in this case comparatively OH. So it undergoes acylation with O, so it is forming acetyl salicylic acid. Please follow. Ester again, acetyl salicylic acid. Very, very interesting information. Then reaction due to aromatic ring. This is the very, very important. Kindly follow. Normally, phenol will undergo bromination. If you take phenol, normally it will undergo bromination with the bromine water to give 2,4,6 dibromophenol white precipitate. That is the normal case of phenol. But the interesting information here additional to phenolic group, there is also carboxylic acid group. Please follow. There is also carboxylic acid group. So out of these two groups, we know orthopara orienting group takes priority over meta orienting group. This I have discussed under the basic concept of chemistry, organic chemistry. I have discussed under the mechanism. Kindly follow. So because when you add bromine water, so the bromine not only entering into ortho, meta and 2,4,6, so automatically COH is getting eliminated in the form of carbon dioxide. Please follow. So this is the very, very interesting information. Actually, it is removing COH comparatively and entering the more stable product 2,4,6 dibromophenol. So reaction with the bromine water gives a white precipitate of dibromophenol. This reaction involves bromination with decarboxylation. Bromination with decarboxylation. Please, my dear student, understand this. If you take simple phenol, and if you add bromine water again, this is the product. But what is here? By eliminating, decarboxylating this carbon dioxide, it is also same product it is formed. That is the most important, you must have it in mind. The second one, reaction to aromatic, again nitration. Nitration is another most important electrophilic substitution reaction. And then again, when you compare it to OH and COH, ortho-para-orienting groups takes priority over meta-orienting OH. So here attacking species is NO2 plus. So NO2 plus not only substitution, undergoes substitution, it is eliminating carbon dioxide. That means this reaction is similar to that of bromination. That means nitration followed by decarboxylation. So product is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This is called picric acid. Please follow. Picric acid. So normally question will be asked in the examinations. The organic acid which is not containing carboxylic group is. This is picric acid. Kindly follow. This is more acidic than benzoic acid. This is the most important information I want to convey. So coming for uses, it is used as an antiseptic and disinfectant. It is used for making dyes. It is used for the manufacture of aspirin and salal, methyl salicylate used in medicine. Please follow. Aspirin, salal and methyl salicylate used in medicine. So, let me come for the third acid, phthalic acid. Kindly follow. So, phthalic acid is also, that is an aromatic dicarboxylic acid. So, first we have seen benzoic acid, monocarboxylic acid. Then we have seen hydroxymonocarboxylic acid, salicylic acid. The third we are seeing now phthalic acid. This is nothing but benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. Please follow. So let me concentrate here. How the preparation, commercial. From naphthalene, we can prepare the corresponding this acid, that is phthalic acid. So what is happening here? Phthalic acid is prepared commercially. Kindly follow. By passing a mixture of naphthalene vapor, by passing the mixture of naphthalene vapor and air over vanadium pentoxide catalyst. Vanadium pentoxide catalyst as a catalyst at 400 to 500 degree centigrade. So what is happening? The bond breaks here. Kindly follow. If you write this, bond breaks here, we are getting down here both cases carbon dioxide, the carboxylic groups are formed. So this is called phthalic acid or benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. Please follow. This is the most important method of preparation, commercial method. The next commercial method is from orthosilane. Kindly follow. Silane, that means 1,2 dimethyl benzene. Orthosilane, or another name is 1,2 dimethyl benzene. Phthalic acid is prepared commercially in USA by catalytic oxidation of orthosilane derived from petroleum at 360 degrees centigrade. Again, catalyst vanadium pentoxide. So when you oxidize, what will happen now? These CH3 will be getting converted into corresponding acid. We are getting phthalic acid. The second most important commercial method. So coming to the properties, let me concentrate physical property first. It is a white crystalline solid which melts at about 231 degrees centigrade on rapid heating. It is slightly soluble in cold water but dissolved fairly in hot water. Please follow, because two carboxylic groups are there. Now let me come for the chemical properties. The most important is action of heat. Please follow. Action of heat is most important. I hope I have already discussed under the aliphatic acid. Kindly follow. Whenever any aliphatic dicarboxylic acid is heated, we have to find out first whether it is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 or 1, 7. Normally 1, 4 and 1, 5 dicarboxylic acid give cyclic anhydride. Cyclic anhydride. 1, 6 and 1, 7 gives cyclic ketone. Please follow. This we have seen it as the Planck's rule. Planck's rule, this we have seen already under the aliphatic acid. So in this case, how we are considering this phthalic acid, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this comes under the 1,4. So 1,4 means corresponding anhydride. This is the phthalic anhydride, cyclic anhydride. So it decomposes to yield its anhydride when heated at the melting point. Please follow it, obey the Planck's rule. Kindly follow. Action of soda lime. You have seen already. When heated with the soda lime, it undergoes decarboxylation to produce benzene via benzoic acid. So, potassium hydroxide calcium oxide or sodium hydroxide calcium oxide, we can use the mixer. So, carbon dioxide is getting eliminated, producing benzene, potassium carbonate, normally 2 plus water it is formed. Kindly follow. The next one. Reduction. Kindly follow. Most important. So, it undergoes reduction with the sodium amalgam and sodium carbonate solution to give cyclohexane 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. So, without affecting the carboxylic group, the benzene ring 3 double bond is getting reduced by this reaction, specific reaction reduction. So, this is 1,2 dicarboxyl cyclohexane, or if you want to say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is cyclohexane. Kindly follow. So, cyclohexane hyphen 1,2 dioic acid. This is the IUPAC name. Kindly follow. Dioic acid, IUPAC. So I can give cyclohexane 1,2 dioic acid. Please follow. The next one, coming for uses, it is used for the preparation of its anhydride and benzoic acid. Kindly follow. So I can come to the conclusions, my dear students. Thank you very much for the kind cooperation you have given for me so far for the listening of my YouTube channel. That is Neat Chemistry by Dr.R.G. I am taking class to help poor students of India. My idea, normally the students are finding difficulty in physics, chemistry and maths generally. As a chemist, I want to help for poor students of India for chemistry. So I am taking class from 8th standard to 10th standard. These chapters I have included under the basic concept of chemistry, that is basic unit 1. Then I am discussing a detail of this one. But level is up to BHE level. So dear students, after finishing my entire discussion chapters, I will discuss question papers from NEET, from IIT, from AIMS, from AIPMT, from MSET Andhra, 50 questions from these the previous year question papers, so that you can very easily get 100 out of 100 marks in board examination and 180 out of 180 you will get in NEET entrance examination conducted by Government of India. Dear students, if you are a newcomer, kindly click like and subscribe button and share with your neighbor. Suppose the students who are waiting for NEET common entrance examination conducted by Government of India, that is students studying +1, +2 and +2 completed, for you I have a good news. We are conducting a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry, and our center, coaching center, having a website, vetri.s. For the last 2 years, kindly follow, because of the pandemic condition, Corona, so we are coaching through online, vetri.s. And previously, for 20 years, we were coaching direct on the classroom coaching we were conducting. Kindly follow. So we have achievements. If you want to see the achievement, our achievement, enter vetri.s homepage and see everything in record, photograph, name everything. So two achievement I want to mention. The first achievement is in 2003, one of our student R. Srinivasa Raghavan came All India first in JIPMER entrance examination in 2003. Number two, every year 10 to 20 students are going JIPMER Medical College, and 150 to 200 students are joining government quota in other medical colleges of Pondicherry. Few students are joining IIT Madras, and hundreds of students are joining in Pondicherry engineering colleges in government quota. Please follow. So this is our merit. Everything is given in the photographs. Year-wise it is given. Please verify. So I want to give why Vettidatas is unique when compared to other online coaching in India. I want to mention the first feature. It has 200 unit lesson. It's already video lesson. 200 video lesson and 200 unit test. Please follow. 200 video lessons were taken by professor with a PhD degree and 20 to 30 years of experience in teaching IIT medical students. Also they are teaching BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD. So they will give a very clear idea. You can feel the online coaching in Vettidatas as a classroom coaching, better than classroom coaching. Only if you see, you can observe that. For specific example, see my the coaching in the NEET chemistry coaching by Vetri, that is in YouTube. You can just see and compare. Coming for what is the importance of the video lessons? In video, that entire notes will be given and they will discuss diagram, notes, everything will be in the form of notes. And whenever anything, if it is new, you can just touch the center, the video will stop, note your informations, definition, formula, anything if it is new to you, then again touch, it will move. So any number of times you can view. Finally follow. So we are keeping the standard up to BHA level in order to face advanced IIT coaching. There, even up to BHA level, the questions are there. Please remember. Let me come for 200 unit test. This is the unique feature of Vetri Coaching Center, but others are not giving like this. So here, +1, +2 and +2 completed student, it is very, very useful because we are giving unit-wise question paper, unit-wise test. Also we have overall test also we have, but unit test only we are giving importance. So 200 means each subject will be having 50. Say for example, chemistry you take 50 means in 25 tests, +1 and +2 will be fully completed. Another 25, the second test will be there. Test 2 will be here. Test 1 here, test 2. So here 45 question, here 45 question. Advantage I will explain later. So I want to give one important information. All the questions that are framed for this unit test taken from 20 years of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. Only these questions, previous question papers are framed in the unit test, that unit test. You can ask me, what is the advantage of asking this? So we have observed for the last 6 years in NEET entrance examination, 75 to 80 questions are same question repeated. Same questions repeated. Please follow. That means 320 marks Vettidatas will give you. So if you are a good student, you can get easily 300 plus. So 650 to 700, you can easily score out of 720. Please follow. Even ordinary student or the average student, they can get easily 500 marks out of 720. Please follow. This is the important feature of our unit test. Now let me go further. How to attend the unit test? Kindly follow. So when you enter into unit test, it will be 1 to number 30 units. The order will be there. So let me take first, suppose in this case what we have discussed, carbonyl compounds. So under the carbonyl compound, you click, there is a menu called attempt. If you click attempt, a window will open. Please follow. A window will open. In the window, you can see directly, this unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. For a correct answer, 4 marks awarded. Wrong answer, -1 subtracted. Total time, 45 minutes. Are you ready? It will ask. Then if you are ready, take a rough notebook and pen to do the problems and other things. Then click OK. Immediately a window will open. What you can see? Question number 1 you can see there. Option A, option B, option C, option D you can see there. Additionally, there is a clock also running there. Clock will be running there, 45 minutes clock. It will going there. 45 to it coming below that. And also there are 3 menus are there. Please follow. What are the menus? This one a reverse, left side, center one complete, and right side is next. So when you are writing test, unit test, by clicking next, you can go for next question, next question, next question. And if you want to come back, you can reverse. In additional to this, there is a unique feature in Wiki.H no other online coaching in India is having. We have 1 to 45 question number in yellow color. Please follow. Yellow color. You can see what are the 3 you are seeing in the window. You are seeing the question, you are seeing the option A, B, C, D, and you are seeing the 3 menus, and you are seeing the numbers in yellow color. Suppose you, after reading the question, you assume that A is the correct answer. Click A. When you click, automatically number 1, which was in yellow color, changing to green color. Number 2 will go to blue color. All other will be in yellow color. Say for example, after 20 minutes, approximately you have completed 30 questions. So all the 30 questions will be in green color. Remaining for the out of 45, 25 questions, the 30 remaining 15 questions will be in yellow color. Please follow. So you can yourself identify which question you have attended, which question you have not attended. Directly you can see. Please follow. So after finishing all the 45 questions, if possible, then press complete. Immediately a window will open. That means the program, it will automatically do calculation. Within a second, you will get a mark. One window will open, you will get mark 140 by 180. 45 into 4, 180. So you are getting 140. That means you are losing 40 marks. 40 marks means 10 questions you are losing. So you want to identify where you have done mistake or not. But this facility is not available in other online coaching center. Only Wiki.H is giving this one. Kindly follow. How? Kindly follow up the next to the mark, there is a menu called review. Review menu will be there. You press the review menu, immediately a window will open. Please follow. A window will open. What is what you will see now? Question number 1, you have seen the question. Option A, it will be there. Option B, option C, option D. And the correct answer, they will write correct answer, they will give the answer. Correct answer they will give here. And below that there is a video solution. Video solution. Kindly follow, since you have attended A is the correct answer for first question, that will be in blue color. Correct answer will be in yellow color. If both answers are correct, same, your answer is correct. If blue is different from yellow, that is correct answer, your answer is wrong. So each and every question, you can assess yourself where you have done mistake. This facility is not in any online leading coaching center. Kindly verify. Go to their site. They have given sample, you verify it. And also we have also given sample, you kindly verify. Need free. When you go Wiki.H, we are giving a sample, need free. That free you can attend the test, see the lesson, everything you can see freely. Kindly follow. Suppose if you are not understanding the question, click videos. Immediately what will happen now? Your window will open. Professor will stand in front of you, board. In the board you can see the questions, answer will be there. Option A, B, C, D will be there. Then he will start explaining what topic this question is asked and what subtopic this is asked. What is the trick you have to use here to arrive the answer? What is the drawback, advantage, everything, short route, everything he will explain, definition, derivation or formula or even diagram, everything he will give. Minimum 5 to 15 minutes he will take class. This video solution also you can stop and take notes. Please follow. You stop and take notes. So what is my advice is, when you are taking these notes for video solution, for example, one test you are attending, all the 45 questions you are taking all the notes. Immediately I told you after 25 again the same unit is coming. You go on and again attempt the carbonyl compounds of another question, but that questions are different from this. But previous question paper. Now you can see yourself. Previously you got 140, now you can improve 160 to 170. If you are a good student, so because you are improving your skill, we are helping you. Because professors are telling you the root, short root, everything. That is the explaining everything in 45 questions. That's why we have given 2 model question paper. Okay, follow. This facility is not available in other online coaching. Please follow. And our online coaching, which it addresses, is a low cost, only 10,000 rupees per year. Please follow. Others are collecting in lakhs. Now, before concluding, let me give one important information for all the students who are going for NEET and an examination for this coming academic year. To get, kindly follow, 650 to 700 marks you want to get out of 720, you follow 3 steps you have to follow. 3 steps you have to follow. The first step, kindly follow, attend botany, zoology, chemistry and physics. This order you have to attend. Only well-known, 100% known question, theory question you attend. Step 1 over. Then step 2, attend again from botany, zoology, chemistry and physics. The difficulty theoretical questions, think twice, thrice. And if you feel it is 80% worth, it is correct, you can put a tick mark. Click. If it is less than 40%, don't answer the question, leave it. The third step, most important, go to problems now. Chemistry will be having 1/3 of the question will be problems, physical chemistry, and physics or 50% will be problem. So in the case of problems, don't afraid. Find out the unit it is asked, what unit the question is asked. Then from that, what formula you have to use, suitably substitute the formula, substitute the units, multiply and divide suitably, find out the correct answer. That answer you compare with the option A, B, C, D. If the answer and one of the options are correct, put a tick. If they are not coinciding, don't click. Verify again for your calculation if you are doing any mistake or not. Otherwise, if you are not getting, leave it. If you are getting correct answer, please tick. So this is my advice for you. Kindly follow. The students who are interested to join with Doctors, pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director of Vichi Coaching Center, in Indian Bank account number 7127194771, IFC code IDIB000P134, cell number 989417645. My dear students, I will meet you again in the next topic.